So the tools and products that I used are some hair ties, some wet line extreme gel, a water bottle, some bobby pins, a brush, a rectangle comb, an edge brush, and a detangling brush. So the first thing I like to do when it comes to sleeking my type 4 kinky hair is I like to put my hair into sections, and I like to gel my hair in sections. That way it is easier. So as you can see, I split that second half into another half, and I'm just brushing my hair out with my detangling brush just to get everything smooth. So now I'm taking my wet line extreme gel and just putting some gel on that section right there, and just applying a generous amount or whatever amount I feel like is necessary. And so I am going to take a hair clip and put that out the way, and then I'm going to work with the next little section right there, just detangle it, and then I'm going to apply some more gel as needed. Now I'm just taking that other part of my hair out of the hair clip, and then I'm going to brush that, make sure everything is smooth and everything. And then I'm just going to take the hair tie, and I'm just going to put that section into a ponytail. Working with the top half of my hair, I am going to end up splitting that into more sections, but I am going to split that top half into another half, and I'm going to work with that section, pretty much doing the same exact thing. Instead of taking my hair out of one ponytail, I'm adding several hair ties. So I am going to be using a total of 3 hair ties all in one. This section, I'm taking my rectangle comb and just trying to make a straight part. I decided to go with a side part, and as you can see, I'm just making sure I get everything straight, and then I'm just going to proceed with the same exact steps as before. By the way, when doing this hairstyle, make sure not to put the ponytail holders on your hair too tight, or your hair and your head will start hurting. So make sure you be really generous when putting the hair ties on, and I only wrap them around my hair maybe 3 times. So now I'm just going through and doing my edges. I'm using an edge brush. I just got this from the beauty supply store. So now I'm going to twist my hair into a chunky 2-strand twist. So now I'm going to take some clip-ins that I have, and this clip-in right here has 4 clips on it, but I'm going to clip it onto my hair and just wrap it around each other. And then I'm going to take another clip in that has 3 clips and do the exact same thing. I used a total of 3 clip-ins, so I used 1 clip-in with 4 clips and 2 3-clip-ins, if that makes sense. And I pretty much just wrapped it around each other, and then you will see me. I will put the clip-ins that I used down in the description box down below. I have the clip-ins in. I'm just going to take a little bit of hair from those clip-ins, and I'm going to wrap it around the perimeter of where the clip-ins are, and just so that it can like cover the tracks and anything, so that it won't show and stuff like that. But then I am going to go in with some bobby pins just to make sure everything is intact and in place and won't come down. And so yeah, that is the final look and finished product of the sleek low ponytail with some clip-ins added onto it. So yeah, it's really cute. It didn't take long at all, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Everything will be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.